Frustrated by not finding a watch he liked at a price he could afford, photographer and designer Ming launched his own brand. In less than a decade, Kuala Lumpur-based Ming has built a cult following for its contemporary minimalist designs. Today, we're looking at the final chapter of one of its most loved complications, the 37.05 Moonphase Lunatic. The Lunatic is part of the 37 series, replacing Ming's original 17 series. It comes in the brand's signature 38mm curvaceous stainless steel case with sweeping pagoda-style lugs, a big notched crown, and 100 meters water resistance. Both the dial and the caseback are protected by domed sapphire crystals with double anti-reflective coating, bringing a high-end feel to an indie watch price point. This third-generation Moonphase ramps up the drama. The Moonphase display has been redesigned. A static crescent moon at the top of the dial is surrounded by a rotating, luminescent disc to show the current phase. The date display and even the hour markers glow with Ming's signature polar white lume, while the hands feature blue-emitting superluminova X1. In daylight, the metallized sapphire dial reveals glimpses of the movement underneath. In low light, it flips to an inky, starry sky. Powering the Lunatic is a heavily reworked, hand-wound Celita SW288-1 with quick-set Moonphase and date, running at 28,800 vibrations per hour with a 40-hour reserve. Anthracite-coated, skeletonized bridges and brushed rhodium details peek through the dial and the sapphire back. It's paired with a white FKM rubber strap and steel tuck buckle for comfort and contrast. Limited to just 100 pieces and priced at 5,250 Swiss francs, the Ming 37.05 Lunatic is the swan song of this Moonphase line. Orders open September 24th, 2025, with deliveries through November. It's a fittingly luminous farewell to one of the indie brand's most creative watches.